Hello and welcome to how to use tutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use OpenOffice Writer. Just a bit like Microsoft Word or anything else. Starting off, you've got these tabs: File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Table, Tools, Windows, Window, and Help. Here we've got the Properties window, Styles and Formatting window, Galleries, and Navigator. Navigator doesn't really do much, I'll show you that in just a second. New just obviously makes a new text document, spreadsheet, presentation, drawing, or database. It's also got HTML document, XML, form document, a master document, formula, labels, business cards. You can get other templates on here, as well as documents. Let's just open to open files. That opens all your recent files, wizards. Most of this stuff you probably not use unless you do. Just save as, export. You can export it as PDF without using any other converter. I usually use that sometimes. Send, you can send it by email and other things here. Properties, that's just word counts and stuff like that. Digital signatures, that's if you're signing something digitally. Take it. Organisers and different things. Page preview, that's just you're typing a document you just want to check. How do I get it back? Hold on. Hold on. Okay, start again. That's just printer settings, that's to set your printer, that's to print. That's just to exit the full thing without going up here. Edit, that's just like copy and paste and stuff. Plugin, that's like plugins. Exchange database. Most of these things you probably not use. I don't use them, I just type and make documents and things. Print layout and web layout. Different layouts. Toolbars, that's all your toolbars. I've got most of mine here. Align, it's just everything that's already there and here. Tables. The ruler is this. You can also take it off if you don't want it in. Text boundaries are these lines here. Field shadings. I don't know what most of these are because I've never really used them. Just showing you what it looks like and different things. You can insert different things like the date and time and page numbers, page count, subject, title and author. You can insert headers and footers so that will go up here without being here if you're typing. It will be at the very top and the very bottom. That's that. You just take a look without me reading it out in case you're looking for something. That's obviously to make tables, just the same as using this here. You can do it either way, it's still going to give you the same thing. That's spelling and grammar, language, word counts. If you've ever used Microsoft Word and things, just kind of the same things as that. This is, I take it, the new one, because I think this is a new layout they've got. This is your properties. This is where you do bold and italics, underlined and stuff. Using this properties to the right hand side. Might be different on yours. It's just how it looks on mine. This is to adjust it to left, centre, right, and justify. Adjust the page and things like that. And this is your styles and formatting. You can get different types of headings. This is gallery. You can get all different types of photos. Things like this, bikes and buses and different things. It's quite good. I prefer it to Microsoft Word. If you don't know what you're doing, you've been using Microsoft Word for quite a while and you're just getting used to this, it will probably take time, so it took me a wee bit of time to get used to it. This is just, I haven't used this yet, I don't know what it is. No one here's just like search, find, navigator's just the same as this. Gallery, you get data sources, zoom, styles and form. Most of the stuff here is already on the side here. It might look different on yours, but it will be there somewhere. You just need to look for it or find it. This is to create new documents, open documents and files, save documents, send document as emails, and export as directly as PDF. If you want a PDF file, that's to print it. Page preview. Most of the stuff here is in here, all here to the right hand side. There isn't really much to talk about on this. Just if you're not used to it, you probably have a wee practice about if you've downloaded it. You can download it from Google or any search engine. Thanks for watching.